Welcome to AlloyGator. Today we'll discuss what to do in case of an impact and why AlloyGator is not recommended for racing or track cars. AlloyGators are designed to protect your wheels from curb damage, but impacts can still occur. If you experience an impact, it's important to inspect your AlloyGators promptly. Look for any signs of damage or displacement. If you notice any issues, return to your place of installation as soon as possible to have the AlloyGators replaced or refitted. This ensures continued protection and performance. While AlloyGators provide excellent protection for everyday driving, they are not designed for racing or track cars. The high speeds and extreme conditions of racing can exceed the protective capabilities of AlloyGators. For these environments, we recommend using specialised equipment designed specifically for racing conditions. AlloyGators are best suited for protecting your wheels during regular, everyday driving. For more tips and information on how to care for your AlloyGators, visit our website. Thank you for choosing AlloyGator.